we don't know how old our rabbit is, but we do know that if you double its age and add 3 years, you get the answer 21. How old is the rabbit? That's a very convoluted way of doing things, if you ask me. Question number 15. This is, once again, reverse operations. So, but we do know that if you double its age, let's take its age, question mark, you can call it anything if you like, rabbit, Nebuchadnezzar. Double, what does double mean? Good, times it by 2. So they're testing your vocabulary. And you add 3 years. Do you know what, my dyslexia, I was making that 23 years at the moment. And that's why really, if you can, point with your finger, because otherwise your words, well, mine do anyway, go up that, equals 21. Now it's reverse operations. Now I know that you know what you're doing here. So 1 plus 2 equals 3. 3 take away 2 equals 1. Got it? Now let's try 4 times 2 equals. I'll frequently do that. I've got the answer in my head and then that's what I write down instead. And the bright kids in class learn this quite early on and notice that I've just given them the answer straight off. 4 times 2 equals 8. 8 divide by 2 equals 4. Have a look at that. That's a bit of a dodgy times, isn't it? Or a plus. Watch out for that kind of thing because it can trick you. So going back, says reverse operations. 21. I'm going to just write the ones I need there because I know that I personally have got a problem with just taking no notice. I know what's going on and then I kind of like reverse the reversal. So I've learnt what I'm doing, put in the coping strategies to make sure it's not a problem. 21 take away 3 is 18. Write it down. Divided by 2 equals 9. And now to check it, we go back the right way. 9 times 2 is 18, plus 3 is indeed 21. So that's our answer.